Bringing zero trust to Wi-Fi security with cloud-based captive portals. Hey there, tech-savvy individuals! Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in cybersecurity. Today we're going to talk about something that's really important in today's digital age: Wi-Fi security. Specifically, we're going to explore how to bring zero trust to Wi-Fi security with a cloud-based captive portal. So, let's get started. So what is zero trust? Simply put, zero trust is a security concept that assumes all users and devices, whether inside or outside an organization's network, are potential threats. It's a mindset shift from the traditional trust but verify approach to a never trust, always verify approach. In the context of Wi-Fi security, zero trust means that we don't trust any device or user to access our network without proper authentication and authorization. Traditionally, Wi-Fi networks have been designed with a castle and moat approach, where we trust everyone inside the network and try to keep the bad guys out. But this approach has proven to be ineffective in today's threat landscape. So what are the risks of traditional Wi-Fi security? It's easy for hackers to exploit vulnerabilities in our networks and gain unauthorized access. Once inside, they can move laterally and access sensitive data, disrupt operations, or even steal valuable resources. Public Wi-Fi networks are often unsecured and vulnerable to man-in-the-middle attacks, where hackers can intercept our data and steal our credentials. So how can we bring zero trust to Wi-Fi security? One solution is to use a cloud-based captive portal. A captive portal is a web page that users are redirected to when they try to access a Wi-Fi network. Cloud-based captive portals offer a more flexible and scalable solution that can be easily deployed and managed from the cloud, without the need for expensive hardware or software. Cloud-based captive portals provide an additional layer of authentication and authorization. When a user tries to access the network, they're redirected to the captive portal, where they're required to authenticate using their credentials. Cloud-based captive portals can also enforce additional security policies, such as device profiling and risk-based authentication. Risk-based authentication system. Risk-based authentication involves evaluating the risk profile of a user or device before granting access to the network. This can include factors such as the user's location, device type, and behavior. By evaluating these factors, we can determine whether the user or device is trustworthy or not. Using a cloud-based captive portal to enable zero trust provides an additional layer of security and control. By authenticating and authorizing users and devices, we can prevent unauthorized access to our network and protect our sensitive data. Cloud-based captive portals also provide a more flexible and scalable solution than traditional captive portals. Here are some best practices for implementing a cloud-based captive portal to enable zero trust. First, choose a solution that's easy to deploy and manage. Second, ensure the solution provides robust authentication and authorization capabilities. Third, enforce additional security policies, such as device profiling and risk-based authentication. Finally, monitor and analyze user and device behavior to detect and respond to potential threats. And that's it for today's video on how to bring zero trust to Wi-Fi security with a cloud-based captive portal. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Remember, zero trust is a mindset shift that requires us to rethink our approach to security. By using a cloud-based captive portal, we can provide an additional layer of security and control and protect our sensitive data from unauthorized access. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. We'll see you in the next video.